The thing with local roti canai yang orang Melayu buat, it feels handmade. Kalau korang pergi nowadays punya kedai Iskandar yang jual roti canai, most of it taste the same sebab dia datang daripada kilang yang sama. So if you want to feel, you want to taste a different type of roti canai, you need to go to the local Malay store, and that were the only that prepare roti canai handmade. One thing that I like about this breakfast shop adalah kopi ais dia. Kopi ais dia memang mantap. Okey, beli apa? Nasi lemak. Terbalik lah. Okey, hati-hatilah.
Apa bikin?
Bluetooth.
Sabar ikan bilik.
Today we have a plan. It's a simple plan, but to me it's a very nostalgic one. Kita akan pergi ke Bukit Merah Water Park.
Water park?
Yeah.
Mama cakap bukan water park.
Okay, let's go. Actually budak-budak ni tak tahu pun tuan nak pergi ke water park. They only know we went to Bukit Merah, tapi they don't know there's a water park there. So it's kind of surprising. Okay, isi minyak kejap, kemudian kita gerak. Around 1 hour untuk sampai. Kami dah sampai. Today plan kita very simple, but to me it's nostalgic. We're heading to Bukit Merah Lake Town Resort, the oldest surviving water park yang aku tahu. Okay, we are here. Kita akan tukar baju, kemudian simpan all the things into the locker kat belakang aku ni. The thing is, I'm not going to bring this huge camera with me. Aku akan tukar ke action cam. Okay, jom. Tup. So sekarang ni wife aku tengah sewa locker, dan actually nak sewa pelampung, tapi pelampung habis. So we have to wait. Kena beratur lah, nampak? I even went there masa kecil dulu. That is like, what, 15 years ago aku rasa. And today bawa kids pula. Full circle moment. When I was their age, this place felt like Disneyland. Coming back dekat sini balik, it's like a memory unlocked. But this time, instead of being the kids, I'm the parents. Crazy how life works. Look at the line back there. So we've been waiting for some time lah. Punca dia electrical trip. Okay, it's functioning again. Let's go. Aku rasa half the battle is actually climbing up. Motivation datang bila you start moving, sliding down, not before. Baring. Alamak. Why me? Ya. Hujan dah mula turun dengan agak lebat lah. Dan kami baru je 2 jam ke sini. Rasa macam dah lama sebab beratur.
Pada baru 2 jam?
Laluan sungai ni dia lebih fun lah kalau kita ada pelampung. Tapi sebabkan pelampung tak cukup, tak habis, jadi terpaksa lah jalan je. Dengan Okey, Noh dengan my wife sekarang ni pergi main slide.
Ayah, abang.
Masa tempat ni awal-awal operasi, dia orang still ada lift chair, nampak tu. So we used to ride that, go over the water park. 1, 2, 3, go. So we finally come out from the water park. Sekarang ni nak menuju ke hotel. The kids actually tak tahu pun kita orang nak pergi stay dekat hotel tu. So they thought kita keluar ni untuk balik terus ke rumah. So this will be the second surprise for them. The place did come up with the old memories lah. Ya, macam mana aku rasa dulu masa kecil-kecil parent aku bawa. It's the same thing. The different things now is I'm now parents, so it brings back the memory. Okay, jom kita jalan kejap dekat luar ni menuju ke hotel. Actually kat luar ni ada banyak food court lah dan some convenience store which is right outside of the entrance to the water park. So ada few option lah untuk makan here instead of we are eating inside. Kolam renang ni, it's really old that I feel like aku datang ke water park milik kerajaan tau. So that is how I feel like. And tapi the service is still like the last time I went here, which is aku rasa dah lebih daripada 20 tahun yang lepas. Kalau korang tengok filem Senario, that was the iconic fountain. Yang dia orang berlakon tu kan. Inilah dia. How was it? Do you enjoy your water park activity today?
Abang tu apa?
Orang hutan.
Kita nak buat apa?
Ada orang hutan lah. Korang ni dengan basah-basah macam ni, keluar je jalan selamba. Tengok, tak tukar pun. Just walk towards the place we are going to. Sebab aku tak nak slide yang aku pakai ni basah, so aku terpaksa berkaki ayam. Sakit. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
You should wear your sandals.
I don't want my legs to get wet. So, yeah.
Okay, so I don't like when it's wet.
Yeah, I don't like when it's wet. It's not cool, right?
Yes.
And I'm afraid it's going to smells really bad. Yeah. So, no. No, thank you.
Dah mana sebelah ni?
Wow, luasnya. Oh, sorry. Room tour. Okay, bilik dia agak luas. Kat belakang aku ada double bed. Kemudian dia ada satu single bed. Kat belakang aku ni ada satu lagi sofa bed. Ada 3 jenis bed ni je lah. At the end of the room, kita ada satu outdoor sinki. Dan buat apa dalam tu? Okay, Noh dah keluar. Jom kita tengok apa yang kat dalam ni. Ada jamban. Oh, ada shower je. Okay, ni kan ada bathtub. Ya Allah, tak habis lagi. And believe me, this room only cost us around 100 apa? 177. Tapi itulah view dia. View ngedap roadside lah. Okay, jom. So, kita orang keluar kejap. Sekarang ni berada dekat kawasan luar daripada Lake Town Resort. So we explore a bit dekat kawasan ni, pergi pekan yang terdekat, buy some makanan lah untuk malam ni. And I want to show you guys something. Tempat ni I have been marking this since few years ago. Aku rasa dah lama, maybe dalam 5 ke 6 tahun lepas. Because I think this is a good spot untuk aerial photography. Jom aku tunjuk korang. So, ini adalah empangan Bukit Merah. Ini adalah kawasan yang selalu aku impikan untuk aku fly drone. This railway area. Setiap kali aku balik dari KL, aku akan lalu kawasan ni dalam waktu senja macam tu. Dan akan dapat the best golden hour. Tapi sekarang ni aku tak ada drone. I've sold my drone a few months ago. And I've been thinking to get the DJI Mini 5 yang baru tu, Mini Pro 5. So soon, insyaAllah aku akan dapatkan. And the dream is to fly it here. But today, I'm here without the drone. So aku just nak enjoy the view. Train is coming. Tu, nampak? Tak tahu lah. Wah, so cool.
And that is how I picture it.
Video.
This just made my day.
Kami murah.
Do you guys see that? Oh, aku rasa teruja betul tengok train. Okay, jom kita pergi makan. Walaupun cuma train komuter, tapi teruja betul aku dapat tengok train lalu dekat atas laluan air tu. Dan this is the only one laluan air untuk kereta api. Kalau dekat Penang, dia sebenarnya jambatan. Dia jambatan Pulau Pinang yang kecil. Tapi kat sini laluan air. Uniknya laluan kereta api kat sini. Okay, jom. Kita nak pergi makan sebab dia dah lapar. Okay, jom.
Sarapan pagi.
Okay, we are now just nearby Lake Town Resort. Tak jauh pun. Just across the street. Naik bukit sikit, turun bukit sikit, baru sampai. And we are now dekat satu kedai tom yum dekat sini. Tak banyak option kedai makan dekat sini. Ada dalam 2-3 kedai je. So this is one of the recommended shop, restoran dekat dalam Google Map. Today nostalgic water park bagi aku. Tak silap aku, this is one of the oldest water park yang ada lah dekat northern side of Peninsula Malaysia. It's a fun day with the kids and bagi aku it's a little reminder. Bagi aku it is quite motivating to come back to the oldest place that you can remember and at the same time bawa budak-budak ni to just enjoy the time together. Okay, aku rasa that's it for today's vlog. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Maybe tomorrow kita akan jogging sikit lah kan kalau rajin. Kita tengok ni macam mana. Okay, bye.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi.